welcome to my vlog channel. I've just spent some bomb money. So hi and what's up everyone, this is Saurav here from Delhi Shailesh and welcome to my vlog channel. I've just spent some bomb money into my vlogging setup. I bought the GoPro mic adapter. As you guys know, it's very expensive, and then I attached a Rode Micro into it because a lot of people were saying that you need to have better quality of audio. So I thought maybe why not buy this stuff and improve the audio quality, because I personally didn't want to spend a lot on a DSLR or say a vlogging camera like a G7X Mark II or Mark III, because of the fact that GoPro is quite small and I feel it's quite comfortable to hold and talk in the public. Otherwise, the device is a little bigger, you feel a little uncomfortable talking. I personally feel a little uncomfortable talking in the beginning. Maybe in the future, if I am very comfortable with my device, I might go for a bigger device. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 with the Rode Video Micro on top of it, which is connected via the mic adapter. So now I'll just switch it back to the GoPro internal mic so you guys can make out which is better and which is not. This is with the Rode Video Micro, and this is the GoPro internal mic. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, which one you feel is better and whether this mic is necessary or not, because I feel it is necessary. Okay, so second thing is that I remember there was one of my vlog of Shirampur, and because of Chhat Puja going on that time, there was so much of background noise and I couldn't record my video properly. So I hope those kinds of mishaps are avoided now, because I have the Rode Video Micro now, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys gonna enjoy the product vlog which I'm gonna talk about. Today I'm gonna do a product review of this wallet called the Supervek Superwallet. So basically this company claims that this is better than leather in every way. So I have to give two. So this is the first hands-on unboxing review, and the second review will be after 6 months of usage. So basically what the company claims is that this is made of tyvek material. It is super thin, tear resistant, water resistant and recyclable. So I'll just show you how the wallet is. So basically I went for the one with RFID protection, and this wallet, when you hold it, it feels like paper and it's super thin. Thing to mention about this is that this is PETA approved as well, so that might be reason for a lot of people to buy it anyways. So this is the coin pocket where you can keep your cards as well, this one, and then they have got a side pocket over here. You can put some cards from here also, and you can put some cards from this side also, and yeah, that's about it. And they have got this one and two compartments. Along with that, they gave me this key ring which I really liked it. Thanks a lot Supervek for sending this across, and these are some of the stickers which they have sent. This is a Supervek sticker. Then they believe in the concept of recycle and save. So this is what I really appreciate about this company, and I would like to support them because this is a nice initiative. And so this is the two things which they have sent, that you can just tear and check whether this is tearable or not, and just for the sake of that. And finally yeah, that's about it. They just wrote about Supervek company in usual, and this is what it is. This is what this Supervek all about, the wallet, and I'm just gonna give you a review soon after 6 months of usage. A lot of my friends were saying that your audio was not very audible, so I hope that is solving the purpose. as that's the reason why I bought this thing, this whole setup. And one more thing I wanted to say, that I just don't wanna make a food vlog or travel vlog for that matter. I wanna move into product reviews as well. It might be that the products are not way too technical, but then I wanna review products also because I enjoy doing that. So thanks a lot for watching, everyone. I hope all of you have a good time.